This young woman was sent to come and disrupt our struggle, and she has done a lot of damage to the struggle. She has not totally disrupted it, but she has done a lot of damage to it. That's the truth of the matter. Èmi kọ́ ni mo ní kẹ́lọ́ máa tẹ̀lé ẹni tó ń destroy nǹkan tí gbogbo wa kóra jọ kó tó dé tá à ń ṣe kó tó dé èmi ò ní kẹ́lọ́ máa sọ kẹ́lọ́ máa tẹ̀lé o. Kan tó jẹ́ Ayọ̀ Brown kan báyìí, especially Ayọ̀ Brown yẹn, ó send message kan sí Sunday nípa mi tó jẹ́ pé it was a demonic message. Ìhòòhò ló ń wà ní yàrá wọn báyìí tó ń send message yìí sí ẹ. Òun forí ìyá ẹgbẹ́, òun forí ọmọdé bẹ́ẹ̀, òun forí àgbà bẹ́ẹ̀, òun forí ilẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀, òun forí òṣùpá bẹ́ẹ̀, òun forí oòrùn bẹ́ẹ̀. Kankan yà kúrò lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ Professor Akintoye is a bad man. Kankan. Sunday rí mẹ́sẹ̀gì yẹn òru yẹn ló pè mí pé bàbá ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tó obìnrin yìí sọ nípa yín. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ni nǹkan náà? Mo ní mi ò mọ kankan tó ṣẹlẹ̀. Èmi wọn ò jà, mi ò sọ nǹkan kan líle sí wọn, you know. Mi ò mọ reason tó obìnrin yẹn ṣe hùwà bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. But obviously, what I now think, kí mi ò sọ fún gbogbo yín títí nǹkan tí mo rò ní. Àwọn kan rán ọmọbìnrin yẹn kó lọ da nǹkan tá à ń ṣerú ni. Who they are? I have my suspicions, but I am absolutely satisfied that she was sent to go and disrupt the Yoruba self-determination struggle. Àwọn kan ní ẹ̀wọ̀n ambitious ni mo ní kò sí ọmọ Yorùbá kankan wà ambitious ní ambition irú yẹn ó ti pọ̀ jù. It is what she has been doing is driven by money that she's been receiving from some people. About that now, I have no doubt. Me or Nick agree necessarily, but I know it to be true. So by I discover. So what I have done is to keep quiet about her. I don't talk about her. I don't criticize her. And she has done a lot of harm to the struggle. Mo fẹ́ sọ kìnní kan fún yín báyìí tí mi ò sọ fún any other person. As of November 2022, we were making a lot, we were recording a lot of success in the international arena. And we were reasonably sure so by the December, a lè sọ fún ayé wípé ṣe Nàìjíríà mọ̀. A dẹ̀ máa sure wípé tá a bá ṣe yẹn, there will be at least 1 or 2 countries in the world tó máa sọ pé àwọn support wọn. Tí Nàìjíríà bá gbógun, àwọn wọ̀nyẹn á lè sọ fún pé we are defending this way. Because they have been peaceful in the way they've been handling this, gbogbo wa náà respect wọn. Ibi tí a bá ọ̀rọ̀ dé by November ní, a dẹ̀ ti wá múra àti bá àwọn kan ṣe pàdé tá a ti ń sign agreement wípé tá a bá ṣe báyìí àwọn náà ṣe báyìí. Onitiri gbọ́. All of declare, only declare Yoruba nation. Because of that, is that I wanted to summa what things of our if you take this step, we will take the following step after you. But one so we pay, are you sure that these your people, Yoruba people, can really run a unified country? Can you live like a unified people? Can share series of wonders, Lemares. It has been a tough battle. It has been a tough battle. Dispelling that kind of fear about us, fear about the Yoruba nation. She created that fear. It was not there before. And it is still there. Traces of it are still in existence. Gbogbo eléyìí tó wá ń ṣe lẹ́yìn yẹn, òun ṣe possession, òun ṣe occupy and so on. It's just child's play to keep his courage up in the dark. She knows that she has caused a lot of damage to the struggle. She knows. And some of the people closest ones to her, you know, I want your brown, you know, I want Akintoye, they know they have done a lot of harm to the struggle. Akintoye paid me about 2 months ago. And I would share it to come. I would who I want to consider I know the look actually mina the Nico share can on the was of my pay me then it turn to if things come to this point. Why have you been destroying the work that I've been doing? And I don't know if you're more far about it, more possible. It's a whole long thing. Look at Yoruba and so on. Now you are asking me to engage in this massive exercise of rituals and so on. I am the person to my turn to. Why have you been destroying the work that I've been doing for the Yoruba people? Is it that you thought that I have something to gain from fighting for the Yoruba nation? I am an old man. I don't need money. I don't need any position. I just have a strong feeling that this is what God wants me to use my time. I've known the Nigerian politics from my childhood, from the 1950s. I knew from 1959, as Nigeria was preparing for the federal election of Nigeria, I knew that everything was being worked against the Yoruba by the British. Because I want Beruwiketi, our Yoruba back take over the control of the country. I want Nile buy a Tiawa, and so they chose the Fulani as their coat. Friendly people. Pull the Yoruba back. Pull them down. Don't let them take control. That is an everlasting foundation of Nigeria's affairs. But I came to know I am a historian. I can see the hand of that. Pull the Yoruba back. Don't let them take control. I can see it in everything that has been happening in Nigeria since 1959. It has now reached a climax that the Fulani said that they are going to conquer all of Nigeria, including the Yoruba nation, particularly the Yoruba nation, and take our land from us. And exterminate those of us who refuse to give up. So we have reached this point. And me, Banji Akintoye, I can never surrender. I can never give up. I want to get me. They thought they could turn me into. They were very nice to me, very friendly with me. I loved them. They loved me. We loved one another. Be on my yala and shit. But their own expectation was that I led a large and powerful organization like Afenifere, bigger and more powerful than Afenifere. with me as the leader of it. Come lọ sí Abuja, come harass one, come fowó bẹ̀ wá, come ṣe. No, and I didn't want to do that. That's not what God called me to come back home for. I have been away for 25 years. When I came back, it was a call to come and help the Yoruba people to get out of the mess. Nigeria is a mess for the Yoruba people. It's a slave house. And so, I want that, but me personally, I just ideologically we cannot agree. That's all. The Canara one collect us in later. You made a big mistake. You hear me? But you Prof, you made a big mistake. What we were working at was to create a powerful organization and make you the most powerful Yoruba man of our times. I know if, in fact, I know the do of our time. Those are his words. But you rejected all of that, and you pursued the path of Moses, trying to liberate your people from slavery in Nigeria. I'm sorry, but I could never have been your friend over that. So that's my situation. Anybody believe I never said that. Ìgbà tó dé tó wá join wa mo ní ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo ẹ jẹ́ ká fà mọ́ra ọmọ mi náà lélẹ́yìí. Ìgbà tó dẹ̀ ti yí padà tó ti ń ṣe oríṣiríṣi, mo dẹ̀ ń wò ó ni o. Up to some point, mo sẹ́ni gbogbo èèyàn ẹ bá mi fà wá kí ló rọrùn pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. Kí ló ṣe? Mo rán àwọn tí mo mọ̀ pé ó súnmọ́ Gani Alágbàlá, Fatai Ogunribido, Sunday Igboho, gbogbo wọn fa ọmọ ìwà kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí kí ló ń ṣe. But gradually I came to recognize that gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ tó sọ pé àwọn kan wà lọ́dọ̀ mi secret kan wà tó ń fi hàn mí tí mo ń ṣe is all a lie. There's no secret in this struggle. It's an open struggle. We Yoruba want to take ourselves peacefully and in a law-abiding manner out of Nigeria. That's no secret. So, of course, the secret can divulge. No. I wrote a whole book on this, a 34-page book, a manual for the Yoruba struggle. It's in existence. You know. So, there's no secret. It's an open struggle. It's an open struggle, a struggle that we Yoruba people are dedicated to fighting in a peaceful and law-abiding manner. This young woman was sent to come and disrupt our struggle, and she has done a lot of damage to the struggle. She has not totally disrupted it, but she has done a lot of damage to it. That's the truth of the matter. Èmi kọ́ ni mo ní kẹ́ lọ máa tẹ̀lé ẹni tó ń destroy nǹkan tí gbogbo wa kóra jọ kó tó dé tá à ń ṣe kó tó dé èmi ò ní kẹ́ lọ máa sọ kẹ́ lọ máa tẹ̀lé o. That's my answer. Ẹ ṣé. God bless you all.
Thank you, sir. Baba, tell us, sir. Thank you.
Serious governments abroad, and they are beginning to be responsive to us again.
Thank you.
Gbogbo ibi tá a bá dé ní last November tá a sọnù. We are gaining the ground all over again. She's still there, and they are still pointing at us saying, you are South Korea, they are South Sudan, them other. Time I once of one, no, Yoruba people are not like that, and so on. And gradually, people are believing that we are right, and that she represents an aberration. Yeah. It has been difficult for them to get the world to recognize that, but they are recognizing it now, that she represents a kind of thing that the Yoruba people have never been. Yoruba people don't destroy their nation's interests the way this woman is destroying the interests of our Yoruba people. That is not Yoruba. No. So that is it. Mi ò gbọ́ yín dáadáa.
Mo ní gbogbo ilé kan kí yín ní sà pé kẹ́ lè máa lọ sí gbogbo wa kí yín ní sà gbogbo wọn kí yín ní sà everybody.
Bàbá ọjọ́ yẹn ti dalẹ̀ ikú òní pàní báyìí ṣe gidi gan. Ojú òní ti yín o.
Agbára ilé ìdúró rẹ̀.